Everyone, hello everyone. My name is Vipin, and today I came here with another person, and I hope that we are going to have a debate each other, and it is called discussion. By the way, I hope that you must, and definitely you are going to get something special from this video. So let's get started. By the way, hello, Mr. Rajneesh.
Hi, Vipin.
How are you doing right now?
I am fantastic, and what about you?
All right, I am also doing well right now because today we are going to discuss related of what is going on in these days in your life. By the way, so this is what we are going to discuss. So I would say that what is going on especially in your life. Would you like to describe something?
Yeah, first and foremost, thanks for inviting me for this video. In these days, my day was very hectic because I have to complete my target and I have to do. I have some responsibilities. Like there is some construction at my home, so I
Would
need
you like to extend your split for a while?
Okay, definitely. In these days, I need to fix my problems. Like there is some construction at my home, and a part of construction, I have to complete my target because in these days there is uh, there is no any type of businesses going on day by day. There is some like of crises in everywhere.
Okay, that's all right, by the way. But actually, if I'd say about those people who are watching you right now, and they don't even know about you. So would you like to just, give your brief introduction, by the way, so that those people are watching you, they could get something more about you?
Yeah, actually, hi, it's Rajneesh. I'm from Delhi, and I'm here to about have a conversation with Mr. Bipin Singh Rajput. I'm a salesman. Right now, I'm working as a senior manager in Margi RP Limited, and I have total 9+ year experience in sales and marketing. That is all about myself.
Okay, that's all right. So actually, as far as I know about you, that you are just getting eagerness to enhance your communication skills. So by the way, may I know that what are the reasons behind of it? By the way, would you like to describe?
Yeah, definitely, sure. Actually, in these days, English is most important language to everywhere. Like, suppose that you want to suppose that you are not able to communicate in English in front of anyone. Like your native language doesn't matter. Your native language Telugu and native language is Hindi and Bhojpuri as well. But the right language in everywhere is English. Suppose that you want to explore yourself, you want to visit Bangkok, you want to go uh, any any south state, so there is you are optional less. Suppose that you are not able to communicate to anyone, so there is you have only one option with help of English.
Okay, so overall, you just want to say one thing, that your English is just like an option. Like if you are going to Haryana, so if you have no idea their mother tongue and their official language, how it is spoken, by the way, so it will try to create option. It will try to play a good role in that communication, by the way. So that is why you are going to learn English, by the way.
No.
And the another situation is that actually English has got 4 pillars. That is called is listening, speaking, and writing, etc. By the way. So which is your one of the most favorite activity which you are going to do more and more?
Yeah, earlier you told to your fans and peoples, there is 4 pillars. First is reading, second is speaking, third is listening, fourth one is I can't recall right
Exactly.
exactly.
It's okay, by the way.
But so I would like to prefer to watch some videos because while you watching any type of videos, you always remember which kind of word they are using, and you always observe in your memories in their pictures. But sometime I'll want to listen
Okay.
some English
Okay. So overall,
songs.
you just wanna say one thing, that listening is my favorite activity. So may I know that what else do you listen? Like, do you also listen to some motivational speakers, by the way, which is running on YouTube?
Yeah, in these days, I would like to listen Raj Samani's videos. Sometimes I love to watch Vivek Bindra's and some podcast,
Okay.
different kind of topics. Because suppose that when you lay down on the bed, so that time you have only one option: keep your headphone in your ear. After that, you can start your any kind of podcast. That time you feel relaxed.
Okay.
In the evening time, in the midnight is the good time for relax your mind and learn different kind of things with help of listening.
Okay, so by the way, here you what I speak truth in front of those people who are watching you right now. If you are going to watch any kind of podcast which is going on, so do you think that those people are watching that podcast? Are you just pretty sure about it that definitely they will get something because podcast this is the this is the part of social media by the way. So a lot of people are saying that watching social media it is just wasting of time but nothing. So do you also think like this?
No, no, no. Actually, the generation are going to change day by day. Suppose that if I talk about the year of 2002 and 2003, that time we don't have such kind of facilities. Like we don't have social media app. We don't have internet and we don't have smartphone. Uh, that time
Exactly.
that time we always try to listen with help of radio and sometimes to read with help of television.
Okay.
But we that time in this era, uh, digital media is going day by day, so we don't have sufficient time. But somehow we need to manage. So I think social media and listen podcast is good for everyone because podcast provide you realistic things. And suppose when you starting to listen any kind of podcast, it doesn't matter, it depend on the person to person which kind of thing you want to listen. Because suppose that I want to listen realistic podcast and someone want to devotional podcast, it depends on the person to person. But I think podcast is good for everyone.
Okay, that's all right. By the way, definitely I'm going to incorporate this suggestion because it was such a a great decision which was made by you. And in fact, how much time do you also give to social media in these days? You what I speak truth on it.
uh, I if I say truly, I always wasting my time on social media
While watching social media.
while watching
Okay.
social media. Because suppose that when you scrolling any Instagram reels and any YouTube short video, you don't know how much time you already invested.
Okay.
But I always try to manage my time.
Okay.
But I can't. But in front of your in front of your fans, definitely I would like to say to him, don't waste your time to scrolling cheap kind of videos. Time is very precious to everyone, and everyone have 24 hours, and we need to manage our time in three parts.
Okay.
Like you need to rest your life, rest yourself for 8 hours, and a part of 16 hours you need to 8 hours for your study. For your suppose that you are workaholic person, you need to manage 8 hours for your work, and a part of 8 hours you need to manage in two parts. 4 hours for your 4 hours for your physics, like you are to fix your body, you need to walking somewhere and stretch kind of thing. And a part of 4 hours you need to connect with your parents, your
Okay.
colleagues.
Alright. So overall, I would say that it was such a great, great decision, and it was such a good thing by the way. So actually, would you like to say one thing that what you are going to say about those people, who have been addicted, while using social media? They think that smartphone is everything to me. If they are just going outside, so they never ever forget their cell phone, and they just try to forget so many things in their life by the way. Because overall, social media it is just nothing short of any kind of trap, which a lot of people are being tracked. So what you are gonna make suggestion to those people?
Actually, using social media apps is good for everyone because earlier you already watched some protest already happened with help of social media.
Okay.
CGP project protest. But social media has so many advantages and disadvantages. It depends on the person to person how much which kind of thing you want with help of social media. Yeah, definitely. Suppose that you want to some knowledge with help of social media, you can use. But suppose that you always wasting your time to watching such kind of reels, like any type of dance, any type of vulgarity, jokes, this kind of thing, this kind of videos, I think worthless, and I think needless to say. Suppose that you are wasting your time to watch this kind of things, so already you waste your life.
Okay, that's wonderful. And overall, I would say that this conversation it has been little bit productive, And overall, I would say that you must have got something special, something ordinary in this video, by the way. And thank you so much for watching, because practice makes perfect man.